guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a full face using only drugstore products. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So I don't have a drugstore eyebrow product and I don't have a drugstore primer, so I did that quickly off of camera, and now I'm going to clean up my eyebrows using the Maybelline Master Conceal concealer. I used to use it all the time before Shape Tape. Now the one thing I don't like about drugstore concealers is that there's usually not that many shades. There's only like a couple of shades, and this is in Fair, and this is how light it is. I'm pretty sure my Shape Tape is in Fair, and it is like way lighter than this. I am going to go in with foundation, and I'm going to be using the Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in light. The one thing that I am not the biggest fan is that it is a little bit more of a matte finish when it dries. It's not as dewy as I would like it. Now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline concealer. I'm going to go in with some more because you can still see my under eye bags. Under eye bags are here to stay, and it's okay. Now I'm going to take this NYC Smooth Skin Loose Face Powder in translucent. This stuff is amazing. There's like no product. I'm not really baking, I'm more pressing it into the skin, which I find is a lot better for my dry skin. Now for bronzer, I'm going to be taking my NYX Highlight and Contour palette. I have had this forever, and I really want to get the cream contour one and kind of do like a versus the palettes, I don't know, and dip into is in tan. Sorry, these shades are just weird because they have it on the back. She's pigmented, that's for sure. Kind of forgot about that. I'm going to be taking this shade . So now for eyeshadow, I don't really have any like drugstore neutral palettes, so I'm just gonna go back in with the NYX contour palette, the same shade that we bronzed our face with. Then I'm going to be going into the darkest bronzer shade. Then I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Color Tattoo Pure Pigments in Buff and Tough. It's actually not the shade that I wanted, so I'll be right back. I got the right one, and it's in the shade Barely Brazen. Now for liner, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Jet Black liner. Another good option is the NYC liquid liner. I don't have like the full name because it's completely rubbed off. Next, I'm going to be going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. So I just took this shade on the bottom lash line. Now we're going to go back in with mascara. Now for blush, I'm going to take Luminoso by Milani. Now for highlight, you already know, Precious Petals by Wet n Wild. Now for lips, I wanted to keep it pretty simple. So I'm going to be going in with my NYX Butter Gloss in Snow Cap. So that is all that I have for you guys today on this drugstore makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye guys. Next, I'm going to be going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon... My L'Oreal... I don't like squeezy tube concealers. And I got this so long ago.